एक दिन हमारे गांव में किसी ने नहाने का सावर रख दिया। हमारे आधे गांव ने पानी पी लिया और एक शहर वाले का नहाना अभी खत्म ना हुआ।
Okay children, what do you infer from this video?
From this video, I infer that we should save water because saving water means quenching the thirst of our entire community.
If we will not get water for one day, we'll feel thirsty.
I have made this because my earth is so good and so nice, beautiful and green. I love my earth. We keep our earth neat and clean and healthy.
Today, on the occasion of Earth Day, our school, Seth Jaipuria, is celebrating Earth Week. So now I'm going to tell you about these 4 different types of dustbins. In this dustbin, there goes food waste, vegetables and fruits. In this one, paper waste goes here, like paper and tissues. In this one, we throw plastic waste and toffee wrappers. In this one, we throw metal waste and pencil shavings. I wish everyone a very happy Earth Day. Bye-bye.